Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Nashuatec IMC4500. There is a SC code SC371-01. As you see, the image transfer belt is broken. Please shut down the machine before you pull out the image transfer unit. And now this is the image transfer unit, and this is the belt that broken. So we will tell to the customer that we need to replace this belt. SC371-01. Description: TM/ID sensor output error, front, background area output reflection. Solution: clean image density sensor, replace image density sensor, replace image transfer belt.
Barangay